TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We had the Dow Industrials finish down 46, NASDAQ down 19, S&P's off 7.5. We take a look at the Dow. What you're going to see out here, folks, big price spread out here. We had a high of 24,977. You came down 300 points off of that high. What this is set up, a B to a C of an ABC structure on the way down. And what I expect you're going to see, this good old Dow Industrials very well may be the first indice down into the 23,360 mark, which is the February 9th high volume swing low. NASDAQ Composite, what do we have with the Composite? Composite, once again, has stayed back inside the lower range. It gapped lower on Monday, couldn't handle it today, tried to get up into the gap. We got to a price point of 74.15, 74.21, would have got it into it, gave it up in spades. That's saying that the NASDAQ, the Composite, wants to get into the March 2nd swing low, which is 7,084. NDX 100, that is the same type of setup inside the NDX. That got to a price point today of 69.30. You closed out at 68.53, 80-point swing, monster swing. Did the same thing as the Composite, tried to get into the gap, couldn't handle it. That's setting up the NDX 100 down to 66.45. Gold took off. Took off in spades, as did silver, as did oil. Oil actually took off earlier. Gold was up at $21. 449,000 contracts, big number there. We go look at the silver market, same type of setup in silver. Silver was up 2.4%, up 40 cents, trading $16.54. You did 105,000 contracts, monster contract volume. Now, the biggest shocker, I would say, out here is the bond market. The bonds have done it again. This is just amazing. There's no two ways about this. And what I specifically mean is this, is that the Fed is basically saying that, yes, we're going to continue going up, and the bond market is saying, guess what? I'm buying bonds. The yields are going lower. What the 10-year did out here today went to 119.22, closed at 120.04, up a tick. That, folks, okay, is as deviant as you can get. Guess what? The Fed wants to get tougher. The market is saying, I'm going to buy every bond I can get my hands on out there. Higher price, lower yield. You stay right there, folks. We'll be coming back with numbers after the close. To recap, we had the Dow finished down 44, NASDAQ off 19, S&P's off 7.5.